Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Appst Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your account on Wise. So let's get started right away. Now, if you have not verified your Wise account, after you have signed up to create your account, then you will see this notification within your homepage telling you that you will need to verify by checking your inbox. When you see this notification, which tells you to confirm your email, tap on the Got It button and then check in within your email address. Log into your email account and you will find an email from Wise. Within this email, you will find the Confirm Your Email button. Go ahead and tap on it, and now this will verify your email address right away on your Wise account. You will then get a notification telling you that your email address has been verified. You can then tap on Continue, and now you will be able to use your credentials to log into your account directly. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to verify your account on Wise. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.